Welcome to beginner meditation. This is a 10-minute meditation by the sea. So let's get started. Find a comfortable position. As you do the meditation, you may find yourself drifting off to sleep. This is fine. So you can allow the meditation to turn off on its own. If you notice the thoughts, such as worries or concerns arising that take your attention away from the meditation, this is perfectly normal. So you can redirect your attention back to the body scan, gently letting go of these thoughts, if at all possible, while also noticing your body lying down on the bed or on the floor, however you're seated in your position. You'll be feeling the body's senses that are present, scanning the body for any kinds of obvious sensations like vibrations, tingling sensations, heaviness, pressure, movement, heat, coolness. Simply bring a mindful attention of curiosity and openness to the present moment. We can begin the meditation by noticing the sensations at the top of your head. So simply bring your attention to the top of your head and notice what you feel. You might notice some vibration or pressure, and then allow your attention to notice your skull. As it makes contact with the bed or the pillow, there might be a pressure or a weight. You might notice some other sensations. Simply be curious about the sensations, feeling them. Sometimes when you encounter a sensation, there may be some tension. If you can, allow it to gently relax. If that doesn't seem possible, simply notice what it is that you feel, and notice your face area, your forehead, your eyes, nose. Notice your cheeks and mouth. There may be sensations of tingling, temperature, tightness. Let it all be there. Be curious about your experience. Then begin to notice the sensations in your throat and neck, and become aware of anything that is present for you. And the shoulder area. If at any point you notice tension arising, sometimes in the act of noticing, it may be a way for you to release the tension and soften into it. If it feels extremely tense, you can breathe gently, directing that breathing into that area to allow it to soften. And if it is still tense, just continue on the body scan. At this moment, you're aware of the sensations in your left shoulder. Bring your attention there, and then let your attention go to your right, down the arm. Notice any vibration, tingling, heat, coolness, pressure, movement. And as you reach your elbow, lower your arm, and then your hand. There are often quite a few sensations in the hand area. Notice your hands and your fingers. Be curious and open to the sensations that are present. Also, allowing your hands to soften and relax. Now bring your attention up to your right shoulder. Again, noticing any sensations that might be present, and then start to go down the right arm, feeling any vibration, tingling, movement, noticing your elbow, your forearm, and then also your hand and your fingers. Again, lots of sensations are usually present in your hands and fingers. But if at any point there are no sensations, just notice the absence of sensation. Now let your attention go back to the top of your shoulders, to your back. Notice the shoulder area soften. Breathe. Begin to bring your attention down your back. You can zigzag it across your back. or make it an up and down movement in your mind. Sometimes there's strong sensations in your back, the sensations of touching the bed, pressure, weight. You can be open and curious to whatever you experience, kind to yourself no matter what. You can notice your upper back, your mid-back, and notice the sensations in your lower back as well, making sure to breathe and to soften. If any thoughts crop up as you're doing this, allow those thoughts to pass and continue on, bringing your attention back to your body. Let any thoughts go, let them float away like a cloud in the sky. Just let go of them if possible, or at any point release them. Now bring your attention to the top of your chest area and let yourself gently scan your chest down to the upper rib cage into the stomach area. See if you can soften your stomach. Breathe more deeply, directing some breath into that area, allowing it to soften and to relax. Bring your attention now down into your pelvis, the whole pelvic area, the places where your body connects with the bed, feeling whatever sensations are present. And now gently bring your attention to your left hip and notice what arises in your left hip. Notice any sensations in the thigh. And circle your attention around the entire upper leg, taking the attention down the knee, down into the left calf, noticing any vibration, tingling, heat, itching, warmth, coolness, heaviness. Let it be there, whatever it is. And notice your ankle, your foot, your toes. There might be quite a few sensations in the feet. Again, bringing the attention to the toes. And when you're ready, bring your attention back up the leg over to the right hip. Take that attention around the upper thigh, down to the knee, into the calf area, traveling down into the ankle, the toes. Again, noticing any sensations, heat, vibration, touch. Check back in with your breath. Notice your breathing. Now that you've scanned your body from your head all the way down into your toes, you can rescan if you'd like, starting again from the top of the head all the way back down into your toes, or you can simply maintain this position in space and breathe, noticing each inhale and each exhale. Notice how the left side of the body feels compared to the right. Notice how the front of the body feels compared to the back of the body. Keep using that breath and this time to scan the body, to just feel and notice. No judgment, just noticing how the body feels and what it feels. And if you liked this video, please check out our other YouTube videos online. Until we meet again, thank you. Stay safe.